In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or mark Steam game as private. If you want to keep certain games out of sight or reduce what others can see about your activity, Steam gives you two simple options: marking a game as private, and hiding it from your library view. I'll walk you through both so you know exactly what each one does and when to use it. Start by launching the Steam client and signing in. Once you're in, go to the Library tab at the top. This is your full games list and the place where you'll make both changes. First, let's cover marking a game as private. This is the best choice if you want to limit what other people can see about a specific title. In your library, right-click the game you want to keep discreet. From the menu that appears, click Manage, then choose Mark as Private. When you do this, Steam hides your ownership of that game from others, along with your playtime, in-game status, and related activity. It doesn't change anything about how the game runs for you. You can still play it normally, and it remains visible in your own library. Think of this as privacy for what your profile shares, not a change to how your library looks to you. Now, if your goal is simply to clean up your library or move a game out of sight without changing what your profile reveals, you can hide it from the library view. Again, right-click the game in your library. Depending on your interface, you'll either see Hide this game directly, or you'll click Manage and then Hide this game. When you hide it, the game moves into a separate hidden section, so it disappears from your main library list. This does not affect its visibility to others, it only changes your personal view and organization. To get back to a hidden game later, go to the top menu and select View, then click Hidden Games. You'll find everything you've tucked away in one place. From there, you can launch the game as usual or manage it further. Remember, hiding is for your own convenience, while marking as private controls what other people can see about that title on your profile and activity. That's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.